Hello, today we are going to learn how to draw the interior tangent circles of two separate circles given its radius. So here you can see on the screen we have two circles, O1 and O2, with given radiuses R1 and R2. And on the top left of the screen we have the given radius R3 of the circumferences that we are looking for. The distance between the centers of the two possible solutions and the centers of the given circles are going to be the subtractions of their radiuses. So we are going to start by working out the subtraction R3 minus R1 and then R3 minus R2. So to do this, the first step is to set the compass to the radius R1 and transport it onto the given radius R3. So the remaining length is R3 minus R1, as can be seen here. So now we are going to repeat this process with radius R2. Obtaining radius R3 minus radius R2. So now, setting the compass to the length R3 minus R1, and centering on the circle O1, we are going to draw another circle as shown here. And now, setting the compass to the length R3 minus R2 and centering on circle O2, we draw another circle intersecting the previously drawn circle at 2 points, which we will call O3 and O4. These new points, O3 and O4, are going to be the centers of the tangent circles that we want to draw. So the next step is drawing a line from point O3 through the center point O2 and elongate it until it touches the circumference, as can be seen here. And again, we draw another line from O3 through O1 until it touches the circumference again. Where they both touch the circumferences will be two tangential points, which we will call T1 and T2. And now we repeat the process with point O4, obtaining two tangential points, T3 and T4. So the final step, setting the compass to the given length R3 and centering on the point O3, we draw the first circle with a thicker line as shown here. And finally, with the same radius and the compass centered on point O4, we draw the second circle in a thicker line also. As you can see here, the first circle touches the tangent points T1 and T2, and the second circle touches the tangent point T3 and T4. So I hope this video has helped you. Please press like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Until the next time.